Hello, amigo. What, amigo? What the paka, motherfucker? I got the food. What am I meant to do? Is put a little bit of this and that. That's tomato, onion, and there's the vegetables in there. So it's got carrot, bit of tomato sauce, bit of the herbs. So we need to get this. We never get it right. Get that in there. Where did that come out of there, didn't it? So it's got the veggies, all the veggies, and this in there. Righto. Then this. The tomatoes. Then this. Got that. I'm going. So I put all the herbs together. Put the 2-minute noodles. And I run out of 2-minute noodles. That one, the chicken one. They're only like $3, $4. Packet of 5 of this chicken flavored noodles. They're not name ones. I don't know. Don't worry, I know what I'm saying. Damn. Then a bit of this. Bit of that. I'm doing it. That should be enough. And with the herb. Now we need the water. This is the water on this tin. Take that out. Put that over there. Now this water goes into here. Mush. Watch out. Now a bit more, I think. Just got the veggies. There, that's enough water with all the veggies in it. Wow. I need a very good spoon. Okay, spoon it out. So we got the chicken flavored chicken, and it's got all the flavors in there. They need to be stirred. Now, what do we want a bit of? We want a little bit of something else. A little bit of oil. A little bit of oil. That's enough. This is olive oil. This olive oil. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Olive oil, and you need salt. A little bit of salt. Salt. Okay, that's it. There was some other herb that I had in here, I think. Those are the other ones, but I can't be bothered. Morocco seasoning. No, it won't come out. Fuck it. Anyways, Morocco seasoning. Morocco. There's only a little bit left. Anyway, it's on the bottom there. Okay, that's enough. This should make me go for another hour. Let me try. Okay. Opala. Really dropped it. Ouch. This is going for 4 minutes now. Oh, Allah. What's wrong with my food? I'm eating food. Okay, it's like that. got all the veggies and cut up onion with the tomato, with veggies, different. So it's good. It's good. It's got the herbs. It's 2-minute noodles, but still good. That should last me an hour or two to eat it. Okay, that's enough. It's in there. Okay. Okay, I'm going. I'll see when you come back in 16 minutes, he says. I might put it a little bit more, not to be rude. I'll be back and I'll show you the final result. I might make a coffee now. I left some in here, did I? Yeah, I left some spaghetti in there. Spaghetti. Okay, well, what am I doing? Anyway, I'm going. This is my house. Beautiful. I love you. Super nice and super interesting, and be playful. Do the same to the other person, and they laugh, you laugh. Goodbye. Adios. Thank you. I'll be back soon, please. Okay. I have finished the cooking, and now it's out. It's very, very hot. So, very hot. Very hot. Very, very, very hot. Muy caliente. Very hot. So it looks like this. It's got all the veggies. Supposed to have the spaghetti. I don't know where the spaghetti's gone. I put some of the spaghetti. It's got carrot. It doesn't have meat. It's a vegetarian. 2-minute noodles, a vegetarian one. So it's got all the veggies. It's waiting till it cools down a bit, eh? It's so hot. Only went in there for 15 minutes because I need to cook it properly. Oh, the spaghetti. Look here. Here's the spaghetti. Ah, well. Might need to put some cheese on it. Cheese on it. This is... Okay, how do I open this now? Wow, wow. I didn't put... Wow, wow, wow. I need a pinch of this. Haven't got any chilies, so I wouldn't mind some chilies in it. After putting all the herbs. Okay, that's enough. It's got all the veggies. It's really good. And it's really yummy. Got all the herbs. You can't just go on the herbs. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and mix it all up. Get it together. Okay, I'm going. I had my sock that I have to use. Anyway, the cheese, I put it away. I haven't got much food, but not to last me a month. So, must have pressed the wrong button. It went off. Hey, so I'll mix it up and the food. When it cools down a bit more, but it's got everything in it. That's the food. Hope you like it and you enjoy it and in fun, all good. I'm Intermix Hector YouTube channel. Please, love you. Everybody, yeah, crazy. Woo! Have fun with Hector. Amigos. Okay, the food, one more time. The food, subscribe, put the bell, viva la raza, la chileno, australiano, somos chileno, viva la Chile. Okay, adios amigo, we'll talk something, do something crazy. It's a recording. I was gonna say about the cooking. I did some cooking. I didn't record it. Was in there, the oven potatoes and all that, and it come up like this. already adding heaps of it, coming up like this. It's got chicken, onion, carrot, and more vegetable, that one, the green one, the carrot, and then that, so I got to break that with my hand or something and go in there. Potato, really good. So potato, onion, broccoli, carrot, tomato, all the herbs in there. It's good. Mint and everything, all the mint, stuff like this. Other herbs over here, look, that I put in. Some tomato. Anyway, and this salt and pepper. Alright, there it is. It's really nice. It's that. 2-minute noodles, onion, all cooked in the oven, carrots, capsicums. Okay, very nice, very beautiful. Potatoes. Okay, this is my Nescafe. Buenas noches, adios, coma, yala. Wow. Thank you, it's good to be alive.